Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay previews. First let me open Netflix TV app. I want to turn off autoplay previews here, but you could not find autoplay previews on or off option in Netflix TV app, but there is a way. We have to install Netflix app in mobile phone. I already installed. Let me open. Then we need to log into same Netflix account. Then select your profile. Tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Tap on these three lines on top right corner. Go to Manage Profiles. Select your profile. Go down. Here you can see Autoplay Previews option. Here we can turn on or off Autoplay Previews. See. So when we turn off autoplay previews, that change will reflect in your Netflix TV app as well. But you have to use same profile there in your Netflix TV app. So at profile level we can control. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.